Construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 cm from a point on the concentric circle of radius 6 meters and measure its length. Also, verify the measurement by actual calculation. Solution. Steps of construction. 1. Draw two concentric circles with center O and radii 4 cm and 6 cm. 2. Take a point P on larger circle and join OP. 3. Draw the perpendicular bisector of OP intersecting OP at M. 4. With M as center, draw a circle with radius PM or OM which intersects smaller circle at Q and R. 5. Now join PQ and PR which are required tangents. Now let us verify the above steps. Verification. In triangle OPQ angle OQP is equal to 90 degrees. OQ is equal to 4 centimeters. OP is equal to 6 centimeters. Therefore, OP square is equal to OQ square plus QP square, which implies 6 square is equal to 4 square plus QP square. Solving this, we get QP square is equal to 36 minus 16, which implies QP square is equal to 20, which implies QP is equal to square root of 20, which implies QP is equal to 2 root 5. Therefore, the length of required tangent is equal to QP is equal to PR is equal to 2 root 5 centimeters.